Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get a free and easy to use auto clicker on macOS which can click over 900 times per second. So to start, go to github.com/inclit/autoclick. Once you have done that, scroll down till you see download and click on downloading to download the app. Once you have done that, go into Finder, Downloads and double click on autoclick to open the app. Now it will ask you whether you're sure you want to open it. And by the way, Apple has already checked it for malicious software and none was detected. So just click on open. Once you have done this, you need to go into System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and then scroll down till you see Accessibility. After you have done this, click on the lock, which will allow you to make changes and type your password. And then make sure there's a tick near the autoclick app. This is important because it allows the autoclicker to control your computer and make clicks. Once you have done this, you can go to the autoclicker and it's ready to use. You can click using either the left, right or middle mouse button and make it click up to 900 times per second. You can also make more advanced settings such as making a start/stop hotkey, which is important because you can basically click a combination of keys to automatically start or stop the function. I'll just put Command Shift equal to right now. Now to start using the auto clicker, you have to go into whichever tab you'd like to click in and then use your hotkey or click on start here. I'll just click on start. And now you can see that it's clicking 300 times per second, which is the amount I put in. So thanks for watching the video. I really hope you liked it. Click on one of the videos on your screen to make your Mac even better. And bye.